Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a prepared meal service website using Shopify. Now be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to the product section in the top left and we're going to click on add products. Here we're going to fill these blanks with all the information about our products. For example, I'm going to start with my chicken Alfredo meal prep. And for the description, we can either write the description ourselves, we can use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate a description, or we can use our own AI of choice. For me, I'm just going to use ChatGPT. So as you can see, I have here my prompt ready. Make a short description for a chicken Alfredo prep. I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. Now for the media, here what we're going to do is we're going to click on upload new and we are going to upload the photo of our chicken Alfredo meal prep. Here you go. Once it's done processing, we can go to the next section, which is going to be the category section. Now, usually Shopify is going to choose a section for us, and it's usually correct. But if we click over here, we can change it if we so like. Here we have the pricing section. For example, we're going to put that we're going to charge around 5,000 pesos for our product, and the cost per item is going to be around 3,000 pesos. This is going to leave us with a 2,000 pesos profit at a 40% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a weight section in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Lastly, we have the product type section, the vendor, the collections. Be sure to check the homepage collection over here, and we can also add tags over here if we want. For example, let's add a meal prep tag right over here. So once we are done customizing our first product, we're going to click over here on save. And as you can see, if we go back, we now have our first product uploaded. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on add product, and I'm going to keep uploading the products that I have left on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm finished uploading the remaining products. As you can see, I have now added all of my products. I have here the chicken Alfredo meal prep, which was the first one, and I have added a chicken with rice and broccoli, mac and cheese with spicy chicken meal prep, and a protein burrito meal prep. So once we are done uploading our products, we are going to go to the online store, and here you can see that we are going to be able first to change the theme of our store. Here, if we go down, we are going to have a lot of different free themes that Shopify is going to provide us with. And if we want to see more, we can click over here on Visit Theme Store, and this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Here we have a lot of different themes, ones that could better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back here, we're going to click on Customize, and once we are over here, we are going to be able to see that we're going to have different sections. They are going to be outlined by a blue line, and over here, we're going to be able to see the name of the section. For example, I'm going to click on the image banner section, and here on the right, we're going to click on select image, add images, and we're going to choose an image to be displayed for our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the image has now changed. If we keep going down here on the right, you can see that we have a lot of different options. Feel free to play with them if you so want. For me, I'm going to click on our heading next, and I'm going to change the text that is going to be displayed over here. I'm going to choose, for example, welcome to my meal prep store, and as you can see, the name has now changed. Now if we want to add a new section to our website, we're going to go over here on the left, we're going to click on add section, and here we're going to have a lot of different options for our sections. We're going to have featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product. You can see that the new section is going to appear right here on the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here on the right and we're going to select a product to be displayed over here. For me, I'm going to choose, for example, my mac and cheese with a spicy chicken, and here the product is going to be displayed on my website. Now let's say that I want to change up a bit the way this is going to be good to look. So for example, I'm going to change the color scheme to a darker one, and as you can see now, the background for my product has now changed. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake, for example a featured collection, and we want to delete it. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the new section and we're going to go over here on the bottom right to the remove section button, and once we click it, this section would be removed. We can do the same thing for our footer and our header. Here we can add a section. We have custom liquid, email signups, and if we go to our header, we have the same thing. Here we have announcement bars and a custom liquid to add. Now another very important thing about our header is this right here that says my store is going to display our store name. So if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes for now. We're going to exit. I'm going to go over to the home page of Shopify and we're going to click over here where it says name your store. We're going to click here again, and here we would be able to change the name of our store. For example, I'm just going to put meal prep store, and we're going to save the changes. If you see over here on the bottom, on the top right, we're going to be able to see that our name has already changed, but just to be sure, we're going to go to the online store to customize, and we're going to see that over here on our header the display has now changed. Now the last thing that we want to do with our online store is we're going to go back over here, we're going to click on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our online store website so that we can see that everything is set up just the way we wanted. You can see that here we have our featured products, and here we have the new section that we have added with our featured product. So now that we have made sure that everything is alright on our website, we can go to the analytics section of Shopify. Now guys, this is going to be a very important section for us. This is going to tell us the total sales, the sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of other things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information that is going to be really helpful for us to manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, the last thing that I wanted to show you is the discount section. Here we can click here on add discount. We're going to choose amount of products, and here we can customize the discounts that we're going to, for example, post on social media, gift to our friends, or however we would like to use them. Here, if we click on generate random code, Shopify is going to provide us with a random code, or we can just write one ourselves. For example, I'm going to put meal prep 101, and that would be our discount. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount. It's going to be a 10% discount. Here we can choose which collections it's going to apply to. Here we're going to click on browse, and we're going to click on our homepage collection. Now this discount would be eligible for our homepage products. If we keep going down, we see that we have another things to further customize our discount. For example, we have minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum discount uses, the combinations, and lastly here we have the dates. For example, if we click over here on set end date, we can choose a date for our discount to be expired, so that way our discount would have a 1 week life. So once we are done customizing our discount, we're going to click over here on save discount, and if we go back, you can see that we would have our first discount ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a 1 month for $1 one-time deal. Goodbye, and I'll see you guys in the next one.